Hello, I'm Pushkar, Master Teacher in Chemistry at Vedantu, and I'm discussing KVPY 2018 SX Part 1 Chemistry paper. Here is a question. Plot of total vapor pressure as a function of mole fraction, components of an ideal solution formed by mixing liquid X and Y. Four options are given, and of course, the answer is B. But let's see how the answer is B. So, two liquids, ideal solution if they form, liquid X and liquid Y, they'll follow the Raoult's law. And if they follow the Raoult's law, that means total pressure will be P naught of X into mole fraction of X, say X capital X, plus P naught of Y into mole fraction of Y. That is Raoult's law. So also mole fraction of X plus mole fraction of Y should be 1. So we can write this equation in this form. Pt is equals to P naught X into X capital X plus P naught Y into 1 minus XX. Let's write it like this. Taking clue that XX plus XY is equals to 1. So remove in this one. So we got the equation Pt is equals to P naught X and taking this clue P naught X minus P naught Y into X capital X and plus P naught Y. So if we plot a graph of Pt versus Xx, how it will look like? If we plot a graph of Pt versus Xx, how it will look like? So Pt is equals to P naught X minus P naught Y. They are vapor pressure of pure X and Y into X minus plus P naught Y. Let's plot a graph of Pt versus X of X. Let's say that this is equals to 0 and here X will be equal to 1. So if we plot a graph of this, then definitely when Xx is equals to 0, Pt is equals to P naught Y. So the first point will correspond to P naught Y. And the last point when this is equals to 1 will corresponds to P naught X. And in between, of course, it will be a straight line. In between it will be a straight line. And the slope of straight line you can easily find out that if you're plotting this graph, then this is Pt, this is, suppose this is y is equals to, this is mx plus c. So slope is of course equal to what? P naught x minus P naught y. In this description, we have assumed that P naught y is greater than P naught x. We have assumed that this, and that is why this slope is equals to what? Negative, as you can see. Now let us see what are the options. That is the thing. Only thing is in this question, the graph looks like this because it has not been given whether the vapor pressure of pure X or Y is greater. So in this diagram, as you can see, the mole fraction of X we are talking about, it is 0. So that obviously means that here P naught X, this is corresponding to, this is P naught Y, and P naught Y is less than P naught X. Doesn't really matter. Only B option is the most appropriate and clear-cut answer which stands out. So I hope that you understand the problem and understand the basic of this problem that was straightforward question based on the Raoult's law. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for detailed discussions of such more questions.